Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Toronto Airport. We are here about to board our flight, Ethiopian Airline ET553 from Toronto to Addis Ababa in Ethiopia. The flight length is about 13 and a half hours, and we'll be flying on a Airbus A350-900. So I'll take you along with me.
After enjoying a cup of coffee and some warm croissant from the business lounge, I made my way to check in and hop on the plane. After I made my way to the plane, I found my seat and settled down. The flight attendant came in with a warm towel. She then brought a glass of champagne and orange juice for me to choose. I obviously went for the champagne.
Thank you very much.
Need a napkin?
Is that? Yes.
Need a napkin?
The business seats configuration on this Airbus A350 was 1-to-1, which is great if you want some privacy. The business class was half empty. Shortly after, the flight attendant brought me the menu to choose the different foods during this long flight. The food selection wasn't the greatest, but it was better than my previous business class flight with Air France. A video on that flight will be coming soon. A few minutes after boarding was completed, we began pushing back and they played safety messages through the plane speakers.
ከጀርባው ሊሆኑ ይችላሉ። በድንገተኛ አደጋ ጊዜ በወለሉ ላይ ያሉትን መብራቶች በመከተል ይውጡ።
The emergency exit signs help you locate the exits. Take a moment now to locate the nearest sign, which may be behind you. In the event of an emergency evacuation, leave the aircraft following floor-mounted escape pass lights.
ለእያንዳንዳችሁ የተዘጋጀው የመንሳፈፊያ ትጥቅ በክላውድ 9 ከመቀመጫችሁ ስር ይገኛል። በኢኮኖሚ ክፍል ደግሞ ከመቀመጫዎቻችሁ ስር ይገኛል።
For Cloud 9 passengers, your individual life vest is located under your seats. And for economy class passengers, your individual life vest is under your seats.
Shortly after we took off and they turned off the fasten your seatbelt sign, I went in to check out the bathroom. It's relatively small, but big enough to accommodate the average American and enormous for the average African. Just kidding. But the size of the bathroom was reasonable, and it was reasonably cleaned. After I returned from the bathroom, the flight attendant brought me some snacks to enjoy with my second glass of wine. After I finished my glass of wine, I started checking out the entertainment menu. The movie selection wasn't the most up-to-date, but they were some decent movies and documentary that you could watch to eat up some of the time from this 13-hour flights. The selection ranged from movies, TV shows, kids' cartoon, and a few interactive games. After I was done playing with the infotainment system, the flight attendant brought some Ethiopian dish for me to try along with my third glass of champagne. It was delicious but spicy. Shortly after I was done with the Ethiopian dish, they brought my main course, which was beef and vegetables. Later on, they brought my dessert and my fourth glass of champagne. After enjoying some delicious food, it was time to sleep.
Yes, that's easy.
'After a good 8 hour sleep, I woke up and watched a couple of movies.
Pretty good.
How was your experience on the flight? So we really appreciate that you choose Ethiopian. You guys have very many options, so
Yeah, no, I
we
do.
appreciate that.
I do like flying Ethiopian.
Eh?
I do like flying Ethiopian.
Thank you so much. See you soon. Shall I take this?
Yes, please.
All right.
30 minutes before landing, I started getting ready.
Shall we take it over there?
አውሮፕላን መንገዶቻችን የሼባ ማይስና ስታርሊያስ ጎልድ አባሎቻችን ሻንጣዎቻችሁን በተርሚናል 2 ውስጥ ለእናንተ በተዘጋጀው የሻንጣ መረከቢያ ቁጥር 6 የምታገኙት መሆኑን በትህትና እንገልጻለን። የኢኮኖሚ ክፍል መንገዶቻችን ደግሞ ሻንጣዎቻችሁን ለእናንተ በተዘጋጁት የሻንጣ መረከቢያ ቦታዎች ላይ የምታገኙት መሆኑን በትህትና እንገልጻለን። ጉዟችሁን ወደ ሀገር ውስጥ በረራዎች የምትቀጥሉ መንገዶቻችን በሙሉ ሻንጣዎቻችሁን ከወሰዳችሁ በኋላ
Shortly after that, we landed, and we were carried from the tarmac in buses to the terminal.
So I made it to my hotel room. The flight was long, about 13 hours, and this is my room. I mean, I booked a hotel that was like 3 minutes away from the airport. That way, when I leave here, I won't have any issue of missing my flight. Actually, I missed my flight on my way here, so this is not even the original flight I was supposed to take. But yeah, overall, the flight was good. The hotel is not bad. I mean, for like $80 a day. So stay tuned. Next, we're gonna be flying from Addis Ababa to Dubai, business class as well, but it will be with a Boeing 777, I believe. So stay tuned, and I will take you along with me for the journey. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give a like, and don't forget to subscribe.